In this video we are going to start a basic long division. So we are going to discuss some basic problem. For example, we have here 12 divided by 3, 14 divided by 2, 15 divided by 3, 20 divided by 4. So first of all, what is division? Division mean we have to split a number into equal number of parts. For example, we have 12 and we have to split it into 3 equal parts. So let's start. First of all, we have to write the first number that is being divided inside the division bar or division box, and the divisor outside or in front of division box. So now what you have to do, you have to simply multiply this number with any number to get a number equal to 12 or less than 12. So here we need times table. So we know that 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So we get exact 12. So we write here 3 times 4, that is equal to 12, and then we have to subtract. Our answer is 4, mean 12 divided by 3, we get 4 equal parts. When we divide 12 into 3 equal parts, we get 4. And then we have 14 divided by 2. Similarly, you can divide 14 divided by 2. So you know that 2 times 7 is 14. So 2 times 7 will be 14. So our answer will be 7. Okay. Similarly, we have 15 divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 mean we have to put 15 inside the division box and 3 in front of division box, and we have to check how many times 3 goes into 15. So you know that 3 times 5 is 15. So you can write here answer of product and subtract, we get 0. So our answer is 5. And the last one, 20 divided by 4, you have to divide it and tell me the answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.